If this is your first time holding one of these, take a deep breath. You're not doing something difficult today. You're doing something new. And those two are very different things. Hi, I'm Dr. Avi and I'll walk you through it. This is the Ozempic pen. There are 3 things that you need to check on the label before using it. First is the name of the medication. Second is the dosage that your NU doctor has prescribed. And third is the expiration date. If any of those 3 things don't match, message us and we'll be there to help you. Set up your space before you start. You will be needing your pen, a new needle, an alcohol swab, tissue, and a sharps container to dispose your needle in. You have 3 places you can inject this in. First is the abdomen, about 2 finger widths away from the belly button. Second is the front of your thigh. And third is the back of your arm, if somebody's helping you. Make sure to rotate the sides weekly. This isn't optional. It keeps the tissue healthy and the dose absorbing the way it should. Pull the cap straight off. Don't twist it. Look at the liquid and make sure it's clear and colorless. If you see anything cloudy, anything floating, or anything off color, stop and don't use it. Take a photo and send it to us. Take a new needle and remove the paper tab. Push it straight into the pen and twist it until it's secured. Remove both needle caps and put the outer cap nearby. You will need it later for safe disposal. Before your first injection with a new pen, you need to prime it. Turn the dose selector to the flow check symbol. Press the dose button all the way in until it stops and 0 appears in the dosage window. You should see a little drop of liquid at the needle tip. If you don't, repeat the priming steps. You can do this up to 3 times. Now you are ready to set your dose. Turn the knob until it stops. Make sure to double check this. Now the injection itself. There are 3 things to remember. Pinch, press, and count. Clean the skin with an alcohol swab and let it dry. Gently pinch a small fold of your skin at your chosen site. Insert the pen straight at a 90-degree angle. Press the injection button all the way down and hold it there. Keep holding it while you slowly count to 5. Before removing the pen, check that the 0 is visible on the dosage window. Then lift the pen straight up. You may see a little drop of blood and that's okay. Don't rub it. Now carefully place the outer needle cap back on. Unscrew the needle and put it in your sharps container, never in the trash. Put the pen cap back on and store it exactly the way your doctor instructed you to. Now, here's the part that nobody tells you enough of. For the first few days, you might feel nauseous. You might feel more tired than usual, and you might feel like not eating much. But that's just the medicine doing its job. But it also means you need to be more careful. Smaller meals, water, protein when you can. Never skip food the whole day. If something feels worse than uncomfortable, severe stomach pain, vomiting that won't stop, or anything that scares you, message your NU care team. We will answer. If it's an emergency, go to the nearest hospital. Don't wait for us to confirm. Just go. You don't have to do this alone. That's the whole point of us being here.